Good evening from America, friends and colleagues, comrades, and connections. US is burning not with the agenda of disarmament, but for the peace of Israel and Gaza Strip. Um, Most of the universities are having encampments of scientists and other students against genocide of Israel on Gaza. There have been protests. The professors have been calling for the removal of encampment, but it is being declined. So most of the news channels are covering the encampments. Um, Hope things will improve better in the coming days. Hope the political parties take attention of the protests of the students. Hope there will be debate about disarmament in the coming days. In November, the US elections are going to be held. Hope before that there will be debate in the news channels and newspapers about disarmament. Thank you.